Hi all, very happy morning to each and every one. We are doing a series of sessions from the most important topic in algebra, that is integral solutions. Integral solutions is an extremely important topic. In case if you have not seen the previous 3 sessions, I would strongly recommend you to watch the previous 3 sessions, because integral solution definitely from 1990 till now I have not seen any CAT paper without having a question from integral solutions. What are all the topics that we discussed till now? Let me do a recap. What all we did it? We found out how to find out the integral solutions for linear equations. For linear equations, ax plus by is equivalent to k. What are the concepts that we discussed? Both a comma b are factors of right hand side. One of them is a factor of right hand side. None of them is a factor of right hand side. These are the 3 concepts that we discussed. Tabular method we discussed, divisibility rule we discussed, and we also discussed k by a into b concept. Then we also discussed all the varieties of ax plus or minus by is equivalent to plus or minus k. Some advanced level concepts related to linear equations, that also we discussed. Then what is the concept we discussed? We discussed how to find out the integral solutions of the form a by x plus b by y is equivalent to 1 by c. Extremely important type, especially if you see the last 6 to 7 years of CAT, there are lot of questions based on these variety. A by x plus b by y is equivalent to 1 by c. How to write it? X minus a into c, y minus b into c is equivalent to a into b into c square. A into b into c square. These are some of the important concepts that we discussed. Today what we are going to discuss, please write down, sir. Today 2 types I am going to discuss. Type 3 I believe. If I take type 1 as how to find out the integral solutions with degree 1, type 2 is how to find out the integral solutions with degree 2. This is another variety. How to find out integral solutions with the equation of the form x square plus or minus y square is equivalent to k. First type we will discuss this. X square plus or minus y square is equivalent to k. Right? Once we understand this concept, then we will extend the concept to x power 2 power n minus y power 2 power n is equivalent to k. X power 2 power n minus y power 2 power n is equivalent to k. Slowly, steadily, concept by concept, problem by problem, we will discuss. Concepts. Very important concepts. First one, xy are natural numbers. Xy will take positive integral solutions. Xy will take positive integral solutions. First point, write down. X square minus y square is equivalent to k has integral solutions. This equation has integral solutions only if k is an odd number, or k is divisible by 4. Under these 2 cases only, the equation will have integral values of x and y. Please put a star mark, sir. Extremely important. Few years before, a question came from these concepts, sir. X square minus y square is equivalent to k. This equation has integral solutions only if k is an odd number and k should be a multiple of 4. Right hand side should be an odd number or right hand side should be divisible by 4. Then only x and y has an integral solution. Sir, why it is happening? Can you tell the proof behind this? Please write down the proof. Proof. Listen carefully, sir. Proof. Proof. Equation is x square minus y square is equivalent to k. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b is equivalent to k. X plus y into x minus y is equivalent to k. X and y are natural numbers. If x and y are natural numbers, 4 cases I will get. 4 cases I will get. What are the 4 cases? The first case is x can be an odd number, y can be an even number. Y can be an even number. X can be an odd number, y can be an even number. X and y are natural numbers, right? If they are natural numbers, they can be either an even number or they can be an odd number. X can be an even number. X can be an odd number. X can be an even number, y can be an even number. X can be an odd number and y can be an odd number. Both of them can be even numbers, both of them can be odd numbers. One can be even, another can be odd. One can be even, another can be odd. Why? Because the condition is x and y are natural numbers. Now if you see here, if you apply this condition, you will get the answer. If I take these two cases are of different parity. If x is odd, y is even. If x is even, y is odd. If one is odd, another is even. Odd plus even, it is odd. If x is an odd number, y is an even number. Odd plus even, it is an odd number. Odd minus even. Odd minus even is also an odd number. Odd into odd, it is an odd number. Odd into odd, it is an odd number. Second case, x is an even number, y is an odd number. Even plus odd, it is an odd number. Next case, even minus odd. Even minus odd, it is an odd number. Odd into odd. Any two odd numbers, if I multiply, answer will be an odd number. Right hand side, it is an odd number. Right hand side, it is an odd number. First two cases are over. Next case, x is even, y is even. Even plus even. What is even plus even? It is an even number. What is even minus even? It is an even number. Any even number is divisible by 2. Any even number is divisible by 2. 2 into 2. Right hand side is divisible by 4. Right hand side is divisible by 4. Now, when k is divisible by 4, when the right hand side will be divisible by 4? When both are even or both are odd. When both are even, even plus even is even. Even minus even is even. When it will be even? When x plus y is an even number and x minus y is an even number. Are you all with me? Both of them are even. Why it is happening? Both of them even. X is even, y is even. Even plus even, it is an even number. Even minus even, it is an even number. Even number, it is divisible by 2. Even number, it is divisible by 2. This is divisible by 2 and it is divisible by 2. Answer should be divisible by 4. Answer should be divisible by 4. Last case, x is odd, y is odd. Odd plus odd, even number. Odd minus odd, even number. Answer is again divisible by 4. When both are even or both are odd, right hand side is divisible by 4. If one is even, another is odd, right hand side it is an odd number. X square minus y square equivalent to k. This equation has integral solution. The x and y will take some integral values. When it will take? When k is an odd number or k is a multiple of 4. Extremely important concept, sir. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. When it will have an k divisible by 4, when x plus y it is an even number and x minus y it is an even number. To get the right hand side divisible by 4, right, what is the case? Both x and y should be even, or both x and y should be odd. Even plus even is even, odd plus odd is even. Even minus even is even, odd minus odd is even. Once you understand the fundamentals very well, after some time you will be able to solve the questions probably in less than 30 seconds. Till you understand the concept, it is a slow process. Once you understand, it's an exponential learning process. I hope this concept is clear. Original CAT question came from this concept. That is the reason I am starting from very fundamentals. I will not miss a particular model. By looking at the CAT paper, you should feel that Sir has discussed this model in the class. First concept it is clear. Now let us solve some problems based on this concept. Some problems based on this concept. Problems. First one. Then I will take an original CAT question. X square minus y square is equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. XY are natural numbers. XY are natural numbers. How many values XY will take? How many values XY will take? X square minus y square is equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. XY are natural numbers. How many values XY will take? Simple, direct answer. X square minus y square equivalent to k. K should be an odd number, or k should be divisible by 4. K should be an odd number, or k should be divisible by 4. What is the divisibility rule of 4? Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. What are the last 2 digits? 2 digits should be divisible by 4. What are the last 2 digits of this number? 34. Is 34 divisible by 4? 34 is not divisible by 4. 34 is not divisible by 4. So answer for this question is no value for x comma y exists. No value for x comma y exists. No value for x comma y exists. Right hand side should be an odd number, or right hand side should be divisible by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 34 it is not divisible by 4. 34 it is not divisible by 4. Method 1. Idea clear? Method 1. Method 2. You can also solve this problem using perfect square logic. You can also solve this problem using perfect square logic. Using perfect square logic. That also we will see. One is to find out based on a number tree concept. Right hand side should be an odd number, or right hand side should be divisible by 4. Perfect square logic. What is a perfect square? You take any natural number, multiply by itself. I will get a perfect square. N into n is n square. Since n is a natural number, since n is a natural number, n square, n can be an even number, or n can be an odd number. N can be an even number, or n can be an odd number. Even number means it is divisible by 2. That means answer is divisible by 4. 2k whole square. 2 square it is 4. 4 into anything it is divisible by 4. Odd number. 2k plus or minus any odd number is not divisible by 2. 2k plus or minus 1 square. 4k square plus or minus 4k plus 1. Divisible by 4, divisible by 4. Reminder 1. Very, very important concept. Any perfect square, if the number is a perfect square, it should be divisible by 4 or it should give a remainder 1. If it is divided by 4, it gives a remainder 2. It is not a perfect square. Why we got it? Any natural number multiplied by itself, it is a perfect square. It is a natural number. A natural number can be an even number or an odd number. Any even number, it is perfectly divisible by 2. 2k whole square. 4 into something. That means it is divisible by 4. Any number which is divisible by 4, it will be represented as a 4 multiple. So 4 multiple. N is an odd number. Odd number will be of the form 2k plus or minus 1 whole square. It is not divisible by 2. That means it gives a remainder plus 1 or it gives a remainder minus 1. If I expand it, 2k whole square plus or minus 4k plus 1 divisible by 4, divisible by 4. It gives a remainder 1. Any perfect square, every perfect square, every perfect square is of the form, every perfect square is of the form 4p or 4p plus 1. Every perfect square is of the form 4p or 4p plus 1. If a number when divided by 4, it gives a remainder 2 or it gives a remainder 3, it is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. Is the idea clear? Is the idea clear? Examples. 5734. Is it a perfect square or not? Is it a perfect square or not? 5734. What are the last two digits? 34. 34 is 4 into 8 plus 2. 4k plus 2. If it is of the form 4k plus 2, will it be a perfect square? It will not be a perfect square. It will not be a perfect square. Answer for this question is no. Answer for this question is no. Is the idea clear? 5734. Last two digits is 34. 4 8s are 32. Remainder 2. Any number when divided by 4, remainder it will be 2. Let us solve this question. X square. Very beautiful way of solving the question, sir. X square minus y square is equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the question. It is a perfect square. So perfect square when divided by 4, perfectly divisible, or it gives a remainder 1. Or it gives a remainder 1. Idea clear? Y square. It is also a perfect square. Perfectly divisible by 4, or it gives a remainder 1. Or it gives a remainder 1. These are the possible cases. These are the possible cases. This is a perfect square. Any perfect square, either it is perfectly divisible by 4 or it gives a remainder 1. This is perfectly divisible by 4 or it gives a remainder 1. 4 cases. This is divisible by 4, this is divisible by 4. Answer should be divisible by 4. 4p plus 1 minus of 4k plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 divisible. Answer is divisible by 4. 4p plus 1 minus 4k. This minus this. Answer is divisible by 4. This minus this. 4p minus 4k. 4p minus 4k, both are divisible by 4. It gives a negative remainder minus 1. Am I right? 4p minus 4k. It is divisible by 4. Minus into plus is minus 1. Minus 1 negative remainder means positive remainder 3. Positive remainder 3. 4 8s are 32 plus 2 remainder. Not possible. 4p plus 1 minus 4k. 4p 4k cancel out. It is plus 1 remainder. Plus 1 remainder. But the question is plus 2. All the cases are out. So answer is no value. Advanced way of solving the question. No value for x comma y. Sir, can you please repeat again? Please see this. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. X square minus y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. Step number 1. X square is a perfect square. Any perfect square, either it will be 4p form or 4p plus 1. Y square means y into y. Y into y. That is also a perfect square. It is 4k or 4k plus 1. 4 cases I will get. This minus this divisible by 4. This minus of this minus 1 I got remainder. When you get a negative remainder minus 1 when divided by 4, positive remainder it is 3. 4 8s are 32. Positive remainder 2. Not possible. 4p plus 1 minus 4k. 4p 4k divisible by 4. Remainder it is plus 1. Plus 1 I am not getting. 4p plus 1 minus of 4k plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Answer is divisible by 4. In all the 4 cases, I never got a remainder 2 when divided by 4. I never got a remainder 2 when divided by 4. So answer is no value. Very, very important method 2. What is method 2? Concept based on perfect squares. Any perfect square when divided by 4, remainder is 0, or when divided by 4, it gives a remainder 1. When divided by 4, it gives a remainder 1. Method 1, method 2. I hope the idea it is clear. This is an extremely important type, sir. Which model it is? X square minus y square is equivalent to k. This equation has integral solutions only if right hand side is an odd number or right hand side is divisible by 4. Right hand side is divisible by 4. Original CAT question, by looking at a question itself, you can answer it. Question is x square minus y square is equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. X and y are natural numbers. How many values will satisfy these equation? How many values will satisfy these equation? Original CAT question. X square minus y square is equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. X and y are natural numbers. How many values x and y will satisfy? What is the concept that we discussed? If the equation is of the form x square minus y square equivalent to k, this equation has integral solutions only if k is an odd number or k should be divisible by 4 or k should be divisible by 4. Has integral solutions. What do you mean by integral solution? X and y will take integers which will satisfy left hand side equivalent to right hand side. But k is divisible by 4. 90 it is 4 into 22 plus 2. 90 is not divisible by 4. Original CAT question, direct within 10 seconds you can solve the question. No value for x comma y exists. No value for x comma y exists. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. No value for x comma y exists. Right hand side should be divisible by 4. 90 it is not divisible by 4. Therefore, write no value for x. What if right hand side is an odd number? What if right hand side is an even number? Right? That also we will take. That also we will take. I hope the concept is clear. It is an original CAT previous year question. It is an original CAT previous year question. Original CAT previous year question. Now listen carefully, sir. This right concept. 2 examples, it will be clear. Concepts. Suppose if it is x power 4 minus y power 4 is equivalent to k. X and y are natural numbers. We discussed x square minus y square. Now we will discuss x power 4 minus y power 4. This can be written as x square minus y square into x square plus y square is equivalent to k. This can be written as x minus y, x plus y into x square plus y square is equivalent to k. X and y are natural numbers, same cases. X is an odd number, y is an even number. X is an even number, y is an odd number. X is an odd number, y is an odd number. X is an even number, y is an even number. Same like x square minus y square, odd and even. What are the cases I will get? Please see here, sir. Once you understand, you can draw a conclusion. Odd minus even, odd. Odd plus even, odd. Odd number square, odd number. Even number square, even number. Odd plus even, odd. Right hand side, it should be an odd number. Even plus odd, even minus odd, odd number. Even plus odd, odd number. Even plus odd, odd number. Answer should be an odd number. Are you all with me? Now see, both are same. Odd, odd, even, even. Odd minus odd, even number. Odd plus odd, even number. Odd number square, odd number. Odd number square, odd number. Odd plus odd, even number. Even, it is divisible by 2. 2k1 into 2k2 into 2k3. It is divisible by 8. It is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. Answer should be divisible by 8. Even and even. Even minus even. Even plus even. Even square plus even. Right hand side is divisible by 8. That means these equation has integral solutions. These equation has integral solutions only if k is an odd number or k should be divisible by 8. K should be divisible by 8. I hope the conclusion it is clear, right? If the equation is of the form x power 4 minus y power 4 equivalent to k, this equation has integral solutions only if right hand side is odd number or it is divisible by 8. Sir, from where you got 8? Even number, it is divisible by 2. Even number, it is divisible by 2. Even number, it is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2, divisible by 2, divisible by 2. 2k1 into 2k2 into 2k3. Answer should be divisible by 8. So, what we can do, the generic conclusion is, if the equation is of the form x power 2 power n minus y power 2 power n is equivalent to k. If the equation is of the form x power 2 power n minus y power 2 power n equivalent to k, These equation has integral solutions. These equation has integral solutions only if k is an odd number or k is a multiple of 2 into 2 power n. Very, very important concept. You can extend it to x power 8 minus y power 8 also. X power 2 power n minus y power 2 power n equivalent to k. This equation has integral solutions only if k is an odd number or 2 into 2 power n. See here, 2 into 2 it is 4. Right hand side should be divisible by 4. If it is 4, 2 into 4, it is right hand side should be divisible by 8. If it is x power 8, it should be right hand side should be an odd number or it should be divisible by 2 into 8. 2 into 8 is 16. I hope this is very much clear to you. If the equation is of the form x power 2 power n minus y power 2 power n equivalent to k, then right hand side is either an odd number or it should be of the form 2 into 2 power n. 2 into 2 power n. Very, very important concept. Extremely important concept. Very, very important concept. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Examples. Once we do understand the logic, then problem solving is very easy. X power 4 minus y power 4. X and y are natural numbers. How many values x, y will take? X power 4 minus y power 4, it is equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. How many values x, y will take? When it will take, sir? X power 4 minus y power 4, it is equivalent to k. What is the concept? K should be an odd number or k should be divisible by 2 into 4, 8. This equation has integral solutions only if k is an odd number or k should be divisible by 8. 562. It is not divisible by 8. 8 sevens are 56. It is not divisible by 8. It is not divisible by 8. So answer for this question is no value for x comma y exists. No value for x comma y exists. Idea clear? No value for x comma y exists. If it is x power 8 minus y power 8, right hand side should be divisible by 16. Right hand side should be divisible by 16. I hope the concept it is very much clear to you. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Concept clear? Next one, another model. X square plus y square is equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 7, 9. How many values x, y will take if it is a natural number? How many values x, y will take? We did the case for x square minus y square is equivalent to k. This is the case for x square plus y square is equivalent to k. X square plus y square is equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 7, 9. X, y are natural numbers. How many values x, y will take? Listen carefully, sir. X square plus y square is equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 7, 9. Just to go through the basic fundamentals, you will get the answer. X square is a perfect square. Y square means y multiplied by itself. it is also a perfect square. Any perfect square when divided by 4 either perfectly divisible or it gives a remainder 1. Any perfect square when divided by 4 perfectly divisible or it gives a remainder 1 plus y square is also a perfect square perfectly divisible or it gives a remainder 1 or it gives a remainder 1 or it gives a remainder 1. Idea clear? Or it gives a remainder 1. Same thing we did it as a method 2. This plus this, right hand side is divisible by 4. 4p plus 4k. This is divisible by 4, this is divisible by 4. If I add this plus this is divisible by 4, this is divisible by 4, remainder 1. Remainder 1. If I add this with this is divisible by 4, this is divisible by 4, remainder 1. If I add this with this is divisible by 4, this is divisible by 4, 1 plus 1, remainder 2. That means right hand side, what are the cases I will get? Either it is perfectly divisible by 4 or it gives a remainder 1 comma 2 or it gives a remainder 1 comma 2. From where we got 1 comma 2? This plus this divisible by 4. This and remaining it is 1. Here it is a remainder 1. Here it is a remainder 1. 1 plus 1. It gives a remainder 2. Right hand side is divisible by 4 or it gives a remainder 2. 79. 4 19s are 76 plus 3. It gives a remainder 3. It gives a remainder 3. So remainder perfectly divisible or it gives a remainder 1 or it gives a remainder 2. But I got a remainder 3. So answer for this question is no value for x comma y. Understood the logic, sir? No value for x comma y. No value for x comma y. Why? Because right hand side is divisible by 4, it gives a remainder 1 or it gives a remainder 2. But here I got the right hand side as when divided by 4, I got it as divisible when divided by 4, it gives a remainder 3. It gives a remainder 3. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Concept I hope it is clear. X square, what are the varieties? X square minus y square equivalent to k. Right hand side should be an odd number or it should be divisible by 4. We have not taken this case. What will happen if it is an odd number or it is divisible by 4? Let us take the case. What will happen if the right hand side when divided by 4 it gives a remainder 1, remainder 2. That cases also we will take. That cases also we will take. Right? Listen carefully, sir. We are getting into an advanced level questions. Questions. X square minus y square is equivalent to 65 whole square. XY are natural numbers. How many values XY will take? How many values XY will take? Please read the question. X square minus y square is equivalent to 65 whole square. X and y are natural numbers. How many values XY will take? Solution. Listen carefully, sir. X square minus y square is equivalent to 65 whole square. 65 it is an odd number. Odd number square it is an odd number. Right hand side it is an odd number. X square minus y square equivalent to k. It will have integral solution when the right hand side is an odd number. So definitely values of x and y will come. What values of x and y will come? Let us see. So this will become x plus y into x minus y. Write down 65 as a power of prime basis. It is 5 into 13 whole square. 5 into 13 whole square. So this will become 5 square into 13 square. 5 square into 13 square. Am I right? Already in the previous class we discussed, if I take x plus y as a, x minus y as b, a into b is 5 square into 13 square. 5 square into 13 square. In how many ways can you write a number as a product of two factors? That is the reason you should not miss any of the previous classes. In the previous class I discussed number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors. It is equivalent to number of factors. 0 to 2, 3 cases, 0 to 2, 3 cases. 9 ways I will get. What is the concept I did it here? A into B is equivalent to K. In how many ways can I write these number as a product of two natural numbers? X, Y are natural numbers. X, Y are natural numbers. What will be the answer? Factors of right hand side. Previous class we discussed it for 1.5 hours based on this concept. Kindly go through it in sequential order. X plus y, if I call it as A, x minus y, if I call it as B, A into B is equivalent to 5 square into 13 square. 0 to 2, 3 cases, 0 to 2, 3 cases. Total 9 ways I am getting. Total 9 ways I am getting. In these 9 ways, there will be 4 ways where A is greater than B. There will be 4 ways where A is less than B. There will be 1 way where A is equivalent to B. A is equivalent to B. A is equivalent to B means x plus y is equivalent to x minus y. X cancel, y is 0. But x and y are natural numbers. X and y are natural numbers. X and y are natural numbers. Y is 0. This case we need to omit. A is less than B. A is x plus y less than x minus y. Sum of two natural numbers. X and y are natural numbers. Sum of two natural numbers less than their difference. Sum of two natural, if I add two natural numbers, obviously it will be greater than their difference. 7 plus 4, 11. It is always greater than 7 minus 4, 3. 11 is greater than 3. That means this is an illogical. Sum of two natural numbers, how can it be less than their difference? So answer for this question is 4. There are 4 integral solutions for x and y that will satisfy these equations. Read the question once. We are discussing a case where x square minus y square equivalent to k. Right hand side is an odd number or right hand side is divisible by 4. Odd number case we are discussing. Then we will discuss the case right hand side divisible by 4. First thing, 65 it is an odd number. I wrote it as a power of a prime basis. 5 into 13 whole square. 5 square into 13 square. If I take x plus y as A, x minus y as B, A into B is 5 square into 13 square. 0 to 2, 3 cases. 0 to 2, 3 cases. Total 9 cases I will get. In that 9 cases, the distribution. One case will be both of them are equal because it is perfect square, right? The case is 65 into 65. If x plus y is equivalent to x minus y, y will be 0. Y will be 0. X and y are natural numbers. That case is eliminated. A is less than B. Sum of two natural numbers less than the difference? Not possible. Sum is always greater than their difference. these eliminated. So the only case possibility is 4. Only case possibility is total 4 values. Total 4 values. 2 more examples. Idea will be very much clear to you. Question. We are discussing a case x square minus y square equivalent to k. K is an odd number. Then we will discuss the case where k is a multiple of 4. Where k is a multiple of 4. I hope the structure of the class is very much clear to you. Now, see here. Question. X square minus y square. X square minus y square is 3 power 4 into 5 square. 3 power 4 into 5 square. Now listen carefully, sir. X and y are natural numbers. X and y are natural numbers. How many values x and y will take such that it satisfies the equation? Such that it satisfies the equation. Once you know the concept, you can solve it very easily. Solution. Listen carefully, sir. Solution. X square minus y square. It is x plus y into x minus y is equivalent to 3 power 4 into 5 square. 3 power 4 into 5 square. Right hand side is an odd number. Yes. So x plus y, if I call it as a, x minus y b. A into b is 3 power 4 into 5 square. 3 power 4 into 5 square. 0 to 4, 5 cases. 0 to 2, 3 cases. 5 3s are 15. 15 means 7 cases A is greater than B. 7 cases A is less than B. 1 case A is equivalent to B. A equivalent to B, Y will be 0. Sum of two natural numbers less than their difference. Answer for this question is 7. Answer for this question is 7. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Concept clear, sir? I hope the concept it is clear to you. X square minus y square is equivalent to 3 power 4 into 5 square. Right hand side is an odd number. So if it is an odd number, so take the factors of the right hand side. 3 power 4 is 5. 5 cases. 5 square means 3 cases. 5 3s are 15. 7 1 7. Case A equivalent to B. 7 A is less than B. These two are eliminated. So answer for this question is 7 cases, because sum of two natural numbers will always be greater than their difference. Sum of two natural numbers will always be greater than their difference. Right hand side may not always be a perfect square. If the question is x square minus y square is equivalent to 3 power 7. X and y are natural numbers. How many values xy will take which satisfies this equation? How many values xy will take which satisfies this equation? X square minus y square. X plus y into x minus y. It is 3 power 7. So A into B is 3 power 7. 7 means 8 value factors I will get. 8 means 4 cases will have A greater than B. 4 cases will have A less than B. Sum of two numbers, natural numbers, can never be less than their difference. Can never be less than their difference. So answer for this question is 4. Answer for this question is 4. If it is odd number, I will get a case A equivalent to B. If it is an even number, A greater than B you will get, A less than B you will get. Sum of two numbers less than their difference. It is not possible. Sum of two natural numbers, how can it be less than their difference? Not possible. So answer for this question is right. 4 cases. We got 8 cases, 4 cases A greater than B, 4 cases A less than B. A less than B case is eliminated. So answer for this question is 4. I hope the idea it is clear. Which case are we discussing? X square minus y square equivalent to k, where x and y are, k is an odd number, where k is an odd number. Next case, x square minus y square equivalent to k, where k is divisible by 4. These two cases only I will get. These two cases only I will get. When it will be divisible by 4? When x plus y into x minus y is equivalent to k. When it is an even number and this is also an even number. X plus y it is an even number, x minus y also it is an even number. Even into even, it is divisible by 4. Are you all with me? When this will happen, when x is even, y is even, or when x is odd or y is odd. This is the concept. Just one more step, you will get the answer. X and y are natural numbers. X square minus y square is equivalent to k. This will be, right hand side will be divisible by 4 only when the left hand side x plus y it is an even number and x minus y it is an even number. Already we discussed 4 cases. One is odd, another is even. Right hand side odd number. One is even, another is odd. Right hand side odd number. Both are even. Even plus even, even. Even minus even, even. Both are odd. Odd plus odd, even. Odd minus odd, even. Are you all with me? With this concept, let us solve the questions. 3 to 4 questions I will discuss. First question. X square minus y square is equivalent to 60 whole square. X and y are natural numbers. X and y are natural numbers. How many values xy will take which satisfies these equation? How many values xy will take which satisfies these equation? X square minus y square is equivalent to 60 whole square. 60 it is divisible by 4. So this case we are solving. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. How am I solving these equations? Pay utmost attention, sir. X square minus y square is equivalent to 60 whole square. X square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. 60 it is 2 square into 3 into 5 whole square. So it is x plus y into x minus y is 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 square. 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 square. Right hand side 60 it is divisible by 4. When it is divisible by 4, what is the condition? X plus y should be an even number, x minus y should be an even number. This should be an even number. Any even number is of the form 2k1. This should also be an even number. So it should be of the form 2k2. G is the additional step, sir. Right hand side it is divisible by 4. Left hand side x plus y should be an even number, x minus y should be an even number. Definitely. So that is the reason x plus y 2k1, x minus y 2k2. So k1 into k2 is 2 into 2, 2 square cancel, 2 square into 3 square into 5 square. Till here it is clear. Right hand side is divisible by 4. When it will be divisible by 4? Left hand side x plus y it is an even number and x minus y also it is an even number. So total how many factors I will get? 3 into 3 into 3. 27 ways I will get. In that one 13, 1, 13. K1 greater than K2. K1 equivalent to K2. K1 less than K2. Sum of two numbers less than their difference. Not possible. K1 equivalent to K2. X plus K1 equivalent to K2. That means one value will be 0. So answer for this question is 13. Answer for this question is 13. Only think this step is important. This step is important. X plus y it is 2k1 x minus y 2k2. Sir, why you substituted? Because if the right hand side is divisible by 4, if the right hand side is divisible by 4, left hand side should have x plus y even number, x minus y even number. 2 into 2 4. 4 is 2 square. So this entire value divided by 4. If the right hand side is divisible by 4, keep the right hand side divisible by 4. So this will be right 2 square into 3 square into 4 square. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. Then the process remains the same. Then the process remains the same. Few questions. X square minus y square is 2 power 6 into 5 square into 7 power 4. X and y are natural numbers. X and y are natural numbers. How many values xy will satisfy the equation? Read these questions. X square minus y square is 2 power 6 into 5 square into 7 power 4. Xy are natural numbers. What is the case, sir? 2 power 6. 64 into something. That means it is divisible by 4. Just one change. X plus y into x minus y. It is equivalent to 2 power 6 into 5 square into 7 power 4. It is divisible by 4. Right hand side is divisible by 4, right? When the right hand side is divisible by 4, x plus y should be an even number. X minus y also should be an even number. It is 2k1. This is 2k2. 2k1 into 2k2 is 2 power 6 into 5 square into 7 power 4. k1 into k2 will be 2 power 4 into 5 square into 7 power 4. 2 power 4 into 5 square into 7 power 4. How many cases? This will be 0 to 4 5, 0 to 2 3, 0 to 4 5. 25 3s are 75. 75 means 37 cases k1 greater than k2. 37 cases k1 less than k2. One case k1 equivalent to k2. It is y0. Answer for this question is 37. If the right hand side is divisible by 4, if the right hand side is divisible by 4, just take x plus y as 2k1, x minus y as 2k2. I hope the idea it is clear. Two cases we are discussing. X square minus y square equivalent to k. K is an odd number or k is a multiple of 4. K is an odd number or k is a multiple of 4. So 2 square will get eliminated. 2 square. Remaining entire process is same. Right hand side divisible by 4. So 2 square will get eliminated. Concept clear, sir? Both the cases. Not a single doubt you will get. This class is more than enough for you to understand integral solutions. Let us solve one more question. Tell the answer fast. X square minus y square is equivalent to 2 power 100. X and y are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? How many values xy will take? Once you understand, you can solve the question very easily. 2 power 100, it is divisible by 4. So it is x plus y into x minus y. It is 2 power 100. So 2k1 into 2k2. It is 2 power 100. So k1 into k2. It is 2 power 98. 98 means 99 cases. 49, 49, 1. These all are eliminated. Answer for this question is 49. Answer for this question is 49. I hope the idea it is very much clear. Just understanding the fundamentals. X square plus minus y square equivalent to k. What are all the cases? See here. What is that first thing we discussed? K should be an odd number or k should be divisible by 4. What if k is not divisible by 4? Right? How to use a perfect square? What if k is an odd number? What if k is a divisible by 4? This is the beauty of thematic based learning. This is the beauty of thematic based learning. X square minus y square. I hope the idea it is clear. Let us do a question of x square plus y square. How to find out the answer? X square plus y square is equivalent to 73. Simple question. X and y are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? How many values xy will take? Read the question. X square plus y square is equivalent to 73. X and y are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? How am I solving this question? X square plus y square is equivalent to 73. I will use unit digit and perfect square logic. Unit digit and perfect square logic. X square plus y square is equivalent to 73. Unit digit and perfect square logic I will use. Listen carefully, sir. X square plus y square is equivalent to 73. Right hand side it is 3. Right hand side 3 means these unit digit can be 0. These unit digit can be 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. Am I right? This can be 1. This can be 2. Am I right? This can be 3. This can be 0. Am I right? This can be 4. This can be 9. Am I right? This can be 5. This can be 8. Am I right? This can be 6. This can be 7. Am I right? 0 plus 3 is 3. 1 plus 2. These are all unit digits. 0 plus 3 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 9 is 13, 3. 5 plus 8 is 13, 3. 6 plus 7 is 13, 3. Now listen. What is the logic? A perfect square unit digit. A perfect square unit digit cannot be 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square unit digit cannot be 2, 3, 7 or 8. This case 3, 8, 7. All these cases are eliminated. All these cases are eliminated. All these cases are eliminated. So, a perfect square cannot end with 3. A perfect square cannot end with 2. A perfect square cannot end with 3. A perfect square cannot end with 8. A perfect square cannot end with 7. What is the smallest perfect square? End with 4. 2 square is 4. So, y square. So, this will be right 0 4. 0 4 plus 16 9. 0 4 plus 16 9. 0 4 plus 16 9. But 16 9, it is not a perfect square. It is not a perfect square. 13 square 116 9, it is a perfect square. Are you all with me? So, 0 x square plus y square is equivalent to 73. Here you got 4, here you got 9. 0 4 plus 16 9, not possible. Next one. What is the next perfect square for 4? 2 square is 4, 8 square is 64. So, x square is 64, y square is 9, 73. That means x can be 8, y can be 3, or x can be 3, y can be 8. Are you all with me? You have to take the cases. First case, these is not satisfying. Second case, I cannot take third case. 12 square is 144. 144 plus positive. Answer will be greater than 144. Answer will be greater than 144. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. This case is satisfying. Reverse also will satisfy. 9 plus 64 also will satisfy. So, which all values xy will take? X can be 8, y can be 3. X can be 3, y can be 8. Concept clear, sir? One more question. The more you do the question, the more you will get the idea. X square plus y square is equivalent to 625. X and y are natural numbers. How many values xy will satisfy the equation? X square plus y square is equivalent to 625. X and y are natural numbers. How many values x and y will satisfy? Same approach, sir. X square plus y square is equivalent to 625. 625. What is the right hand side unit digit? 5. This can be 0. This can be 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 plus, these are all unit digits. These are all unit digits. 0 plus 5 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 6 plus 9 is 5. 7 plus 8 is 5. All the cases we have taken, all the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is the idea clear? A perfect square cannot end with 2 or 3. A perfect square cannot end with 7 or 8. This case eliminated, this case eliminated. Are you all with me? Right. Now, next one. 0, 5. Any perfect square ends with even number of zeros. The last two digits are 25. This has to be 625. Any perfect square ends with even number of zeros. So, tens place has to be 0. That means x can be 0, y can be 25. X can be 25, y can be 0. But the question is, x and y are natural numbers. This case eliminated. This case eliminated. Are you all with me? Next, we have got two cases. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4, 5. Tens place 5 we have taken. Sorry, units place 5 we have taken. Tens place should be 2. Tens place should be 2. Now see here. What is the smallest perfect square ending with 4? 0, 4. This has to be 21. That means 11 square it is 121. 121 plus 504. 504 is 624. 504 is not a perfect square. 22 square is 484. 23 square is 529. This cannot be 04 plus 21. Next case. What is the next perfect square? 64 plus 1. 6 plus, which number I should give? 6. 61. 19 square 361. 8 square 64. These also not happening. Are you all with me? Like that you have to take the cases. If it is 6 plus 9, if it is 49, these 6 plus 9 15, so this will be, if it is 76, 7 plus 6 15, 8 plus 4 12, that means one case which is visible to me, 576 plus 49, it is 625, because 625 minus 49 is 576. That means the number which is quite visible to me is x24 y7 or x7 y24. x24 y7, x24 y7. Are you all with me? Why have I not taken 04? I have taken 2 square 4, 8 square 64, 12 square is 144. If I take 44, this will be 1. 1 means it is 81. 9 square 81. 12 square 144. It is 225. But I need 625. 625. Not possible. Are you all with me? Little bit of counting it is there, but I am sure you understood the process. Perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8, and next logic is perfect square when divided by 4 it will give remainder 0 or remainder 1. X square minus y square we have taken, x square plus y square we have taken. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Integral solution. What is the third case that we discussed? X square plus or minus y square is equivalent to k. Definitely 1 or 2 questions you will get from this class. If you are enjoying this class, kindly like it, comment it and share it with serious and sincere students. The next method which we are going to discuss in our next class is permutation and combination method. Each and every class in detail starting from basics I am discussing it so that you will not get a single doubt in the class. Thanks a lot for watching the class. With love, Anil Nair.